Hello and welcome, guys. Today I'm going to create a frequently asked questions section in Shopify using custom code. So, there would be three ways in which I would be creating the frequently asked questions. The first way would be easiest, the second way would be kind of a hardest, and the third way is kind of a smartest, I would say. So, let's get started without wasting any time. So, the first way is to go to this app which I've developed, in which we can simply install this app. And once we have installed this app, we'll be able to see an interface over like this. And you'll also see some sections which are pro. There are some sections which are free. So I'm talking about the free sections only. So we can simply install this section, the free section, and once that is installed, we can simply customize it. So that is by the name of so it's in Dawn theme. So we go and customize Dawn, and we have this FAQ1. So we'll have to search for FAQ1. So let's see. I think so. It's loading. It's taking its time. I just need to reload it. Yeah. Then we just add PWC FAQ1. Once we do that, we have our section ready over here. So that's the easiest way. I would say it's kind of a time consuming, not time consuming, time saving thing. So the first step is complete, and I think so you'll be able to complete or add FAQ yourself and also customize it as per your requirements. So there are a lot of options which I've provided in this section, and this is completely free of cost. So there are different sections which are completely free of cost, and I'll be adding more and more sections every single day. So uh, this is the easiest way. Now let's go to the second way. The second way is to actually code it out. So the second way is kind of checking how we do some research of FAQ sections. So there are some FAQ sections in uh, CodePen. So we are going to not going to start from scratch, because definitely we are not going to um, create anything from completely from scratch. We can just reuse the code of someone who has created these sections. So for example, this section is already created. It's not a section, it's the HTML code which is being created. So we are going to reuse that code. So for now, I'll just go ahead and create another section. Let's go to the code part. So I'm gonna go in the code part, and in Dawn theme, I'm gonna create another section. By the way, we can also use Visual Studio Code to create the section. I'll tell you that in next video. For now, I'll just focus on creating the section. So yeah, so I'll create the section which is hard FAQ section, hard way. So FAQ section, and let's name it as FAQ custom section. Okay, section. And we should have some presets over here so that it's visible. So presets, and the presets should have a name. So name should be, I would say, same FAQ custom section. Yeah. And yeah, with that, it's all there. So save it and let's see if there is any error. No error over here. So now we can have that section over here. So FAQ custom section. It doesn't have anything at the moment over here. So it's completely empty. No settings option over here. So I'll just make it bigger so that it's visible for you. All right. So now we just copy this. We just copy this code and then we paste it over here. And then we copy the HTML over here, the CSS, we paste it over here under uh, style. Okay, it should be style. Just use style, not style sheet. Okay, so this is second part, and then the third part would be this JavaScript. So we copy this and we use the JavaScript. Okay, and yeah, let's see. With that saved, we should have our section ready over here, somewhat ready over here. Yeah, we have it over here and it's working. And it's kind of a very simple thing, but it doesn't follow the the whole rules of our. So I'll just remove this body part. I don't need the body part over here. So once I refresh this, I think so. This issue should be okay now. Okay, now it's okay. Yeah. All right. Now I'll have to ensure that this whole thing is customizable. So I'll ensure that everything coming over here is customizable. So what I see over here is item thing is repeating. So I'll keep only one item. All right. And I'll iterate this thing in blocks. So I'll be using blocks. So that would be, okay, sorry, that would be percent for block in section dot blocks. Okay, and I'll iterate this and I'll end for. All right, but we don't have the blocks yet. I'll create a block over here in the sections. So we have settings, we have then blocks. Okay, and under blocks, what we need is let's see, under blocks, we need certain settings which we would be using. So let's see what blocks we can use. So let's see. Okay, so in the block, we might need the title over here. The title, the plus sign is okay, and the content. All right. So we'll use this part. So we need okay, the name of the block. So just one second. Okay, I just saved it and it should show nothing, I would say. We have to define the blocks over here. So let's see. If you're not completely sure of how to add blocks, you can either check these uh, already created sections, or you can see Shopify blocks schema. Okay, you can check the block schema from this part. All right, so from from here we can see that blocks are something like this. We can use it like this. They are just simply simply using let's see, block, not this blocks. This is the latest block schema thing. This is separate thing, I would say. So yeah, we have blocks. We have blocks, and then we can define type and different types. For example, for this, we can define uh, type. Type would be, I would say, text, or maybe we can name it FAQ item. All right, we can name it as item, and let's see, FAQ type item, and we can name it something else. So let's see, name would be uh, FAQ item, and then comes the settings, and under settings we have let's see, name settings. We have different options. So under settings we can add uh, uh, title. So type equal to text, and it should be text. And I'm sure I did something wrong. I missed a comma over here. Type text, and then ID should be ID should be uh, title, and then default would be some text, I would say, FAQ uh, text, title, title. All right, and then let's see, default is this, and do we need a label? Yes, we need a label, title. All right. So this is first part, and the second part I need instead of text, I need proper people can add uh, I would say rich text values. So I'll use rich text over here. So let's see. So somewhat similar like this, but I'll just use rich text over here, and it should be content and FAQ content, and default should be uh, uh, this is okay. FAQ label should be content. Okay, let's see by saving if there is any error or not. Yeah, there should be the FAQ content should be, and in P tag we have to ensure that this is in P tags. So let's see, this is okay. Our settings are good. Now we are going to use these settings over here. So let's see, uh, instead of this we are going to use block dot settings dot. Now what should be this dot? Block dot settings dot title. This should be the title. Then this should be the content. All right, block dot settings dot content. All right, so this is all done, and yeah, we should have FAQ item, and yeah, we can add content over here. So I'm just going to add some lorem ipsum text over here, which is definitely going to be visible once we click on it. Let's see, and then see, save it. and let's check if there are any issues. No. Let's see. Let's preview this and see if things are working. It is working, but there is a background color. We need to fix that thing and ensure that this whole thing looks good. So for this, we need to we can give a background color to this. We can assign background color under settings. So now we are going to play around with the settings over here. So the first thing what I think would be the width. It This thing also needs a title at the top like this. So I'm gonna give this thing a title. So again, I'm just gonna copy this thing and paste it over here. Now this is under settings. So this is main title and main content. Main content. All right. Uh, then at the top we can have this is item. I would say I'll include this as headers. So I'll add a div class equal to uh, main uh, main div, not div, maybe main section. All right, and then we close it, and we also close it from over here, and yeah, and then we add a header uh, div, not div, but we can use h2 for block. Not, it's not block, it's section dot settings dot title. All right, and then below this comes the content. All right, so the content can be in a div. So div class equal to uh, main content, and this should also have section dot settings dot content. Okay, right, so this is okay, this is all okay, this is all okay. Okay, and this is all okay. Yeah, I'm gonna, right. All right, I save it, and yeah, we have this FAQ main title and main content over here. uh, we can now play around with other parts also. So uh, I need to control the background color of this and the item. So the background color of the item is coming from over here, and the title background color is coming from over here. So what I can do is I can change the background color. So for color we have to use type color. Okay, and then we can use we can check Shopify blocks color picker, color scheme. Oh, color picker. Okay, so input settings, let's see, has type color, number radio, and then range, and select. Just always use uh you know see this, we get everything over here. So use uh, documentation of Shopify for any information. All right, so this is the I need this color to be the color of item, so I'll name it as item color. Item color. All right, so item color would be this thing. Oh, so I can make it as I just need it to be like D2, D2, D2. Yeah, this is kind of a grayish color. So this is item color, and then we can have another like this would be item. Uh, one is this color. So this item color, and then we have the title color. So we can use the title color, and then we can make it as title color. So it is kind of I'll use E2, sorry, E2, E2, and E2. Okay. This is title color, and then what's next? Mm, yeah. Let's see. Maximum width is. I'm gonna control this width also from over there. So yeah. And then what I need is I need to also align things center. We can make it left, right, center. So for that, I need probably I would need let's see, check box, or I would say what I need over here is mm, options. I would say. So let's see if we have anything related to select. So we'll use select, 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 select. Let's say select. Yeah, we have select options. All right. So I'm gonna use this thing and copy this, and uh, instead of default left, it should be center, and I'll use only three values over here. Okay, so would be uh, left, label would be left, left, and then center, 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 and center, and center, 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 and then the third one is right. Okay, right. Okay, and instead of sizes, I should be alignment. Meant. Okay. Uh, align. Align. Okay. Default, I'll keep it as centered. So this is good. This is good. What else do we need? I need to control the width. For width, I guess I need to use range. I can use range over here. So let's see. Width, we can use range. Mm, we can use range, and let's see. Oh yeah, we see this as an option. You see this, we can use range. All right. So definitely we can control the font size also, but that would make this whole video too long. So I'll make the width controllable width, and I'll make it as minimum would be uh, 1000, maybe 800 pixels, and maximum would be 2400 pixels, or no, 1920 pixels, and the step would be, I would say, 20 pixels step, and the default step would be, I would say, default value would be around 1200 pixels, uh, width width all right. And yeah, with that, I think so I have everything controlled over here. Okay, now I'm gonna add them over here. All right, so width, maximum width would be section dot settings dot width. Then the color, the background color would be section dot settings settings dot okay, it should be item color. And then for this we can change section dot settings dot title color. All right, and then in the end I'll have to also add pixels so that it's uh, working properly. Let's test it out and see how it works. Okay, let's keep it this way. Okay, perfect, this is working fine, this is good. Yeah, this is good, this is good, uh, this is good. I can control the background color. I can make it white for now. I'll just keep it white. And let's see what's the background color over here. This is good. I'm just gonna play around with this part also. Let's see why is it's kind of giving so much space. Title has oh, this is coming from base. So margin, I need to remove margins. Margin 0. All right, let's see. I'll keep the margin 0 over here. This was a conflict which was coming from the other, you know, this base.css. So under title, I need to remove margins. Margin. I'm just going to control the margin over here. Uh, 5 pixels. That's maximum, I would say. And how do I control? Let's see. How can I make this whole thing centered? Uh, Perfect. This thing. Uh, okay. This we can control center. Okay, let's keep this thing centered. So main content, accordion. Uh, okay. Uh, Text aligns center, or is it not text align? I think so. Display. If we keep it as display flex, no, yeah, down, and then we can keep center. Is it centered? This is centered. No. Okay, no. This is not going to work. Let's see. Okay, main section, margin 0 auto, display block. Does it do anything over here? No. I need to move these things centered. So that's one thing which I am trying to do. Let's remove this, because we don't need this part. Okay, main section and display flex. Okay, and uh, we move it down and center. Yeah, that's how we have it centered. All right, so we use this thing over here to ensure that things are centered. Okay, Uh, Now this center thing, align things, center is what I've been. So let's see. This text is good. Uh, this text we can align left, I guess. Uh, so let's see. Uh, main content, main section. So dot main section and h2, and then main section, and then main content, main content. We should have text align. We can get it from section dot settings dot it should be align center, align. All right, let's see if it is good. Yeah, this is good, this is good, and we have created a section. Now definitely it's not as good as this one, because that was being customized, already has lots of shades over here. But we can have something very simple like this with custom coding. Okay, that was the hard way. Okay, now let's go with the smart way. Because of the use of AI these days, so I'm gonna make use of AI now. So uh, what I wanted was, I wanted to create a section using this. Okay, so I'll ask ChatGPT, uh, could you create a s- an accordion using the code which is below. Okay, so this is this part, and we have we have create an accordion section in Shopify using the code which is below. Okay, and then we have the styling over here. This should come under style. We are giving it everything which, the design thing. We are giving the design part to ChatGPT, and then we have script, and then script, and then we can ask for this part and give it this part. It should work. It should be easily customizable and should use blocks also. Okay, so let's see. This is the easiest way, I would say. Okay, it is giving us a very good section over here. Let's see. Wow, this is good. This is good. This is all good. This is good. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. But it didn't give things customizable. I need it customizable. Can you make it more customizable? Can you make it more customizable, please? Okay, perfect, perfect. This is good. This is good. This is good. Now, yeah, definitely this is good. This is better, I would say. Yeah, this is good. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so smart way, smart section. Okay, and we have this thing already created. And yeah, this is the section created by Shopify. So accordion, not PWC. Let's see, FAQ accordion one. Let's see, we have FAQ accordion one. Okay, let's see. That should have customizable accordion. Okay, okay, customizable. Right. Okay, customizable. Right. What's happened? Perfect. We have this, and yeah, we have this background color. I'm gonna make this as the background color. Okay, we have accordion item. Uh, yeah, open by default. Let's see, but yeah, this is, I would say, okay, not too good. I would say this is just okay. Okay, but from here we can customize it more. All right, but we have an idea of how we, like, most of the part of the work is done. We just have to ask for more prompts to make it better. Can you make it more better, please? So it will make things better. But yeah, this is a smart way we can use ChatGPT to create sections. It will work the same way. The only thing is, it might not be exactly the same of how you want. It might differ in some aspects. So yeah, sometimes it might not work, but if we have the right prompts, it should work properly. All right, so let's see the previous version. I think so the previous version was better than what we have now. So let's see. Yeah, okay, we have it now. We have it better. This is a better version, I would say. Perfect. It uses the same script. Okay, so but it is not working. It's not working because I think so it's using the same uh, items, is kind of repeating. So items one, I would say I'll make it items one, item one, and this should work. Let's see. This is working. This is working. This one is ours, which is working, but the other one is not working. But yeah, this is not working just because this part is already there. So that is one of the reason it's not working. But overall, I would say, okay, let's see, toggle open. Let's see, I'll make it work. Uh, Unexpected input in this. Why is it? Okay, this is other error. I'll make it instead of accordion. We have to change the classes. So maybe we'll have to disable the one which is at the top. That's why it's not showing things properly. Yeah, we had to disable it. But with my section, the one which I have created through the app, there would not be any kind of conflict. So you see that there is a conflict with even ChatGPT, but with my code, I've already tested things, and there is no conflict in the app itself. So this app is pretty much what you should be looking for. So you can just check this app out and install it for your customers. And on a daily basis, I'll be adding some free section, some paid section. Obviously, the paid section should have more customization, but you see, we have paid section like before and after images, and we have this video with text, which if you check the video, okay, let's see, I'll exit this, of which if you check the video, this is how it would be. It is all customizable. So you have a lot of things which are customizable. Even these things are all customizable. So every single day, we are continuously adding sections. You can see this spotlight gallery, which is pretty much awesome, I would say. You have it in your customers account, so customers does have these things. So try these out, and yeah, hopefully you would definitely love these sections. All right. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, just please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I have also mentioned the link of buy me a coffee, so you can buy me a coffee if you love my work. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.